Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the revision of our next topic, that is multiplication of fractions. Today is 27th. Multiplication of fractions. Here we have discussed two topics. One is by whole number. Now if I have to multiply 2 is a whole number by 3 by 5, this is a fraction. 2 is a whole number and this is a fraction. Then 2 being a whole number will just multiply with the numerator. It will always multiply with the numerator, not with the denominator. Is this clear? And simply write the answer 6 upon 5. Whether I write 3 upon 5 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 3 upon 5, both ways the whole number is going to multiply the numerator and your answer is going to be 6 upon 5. Is this clear? And then if you have to multiply a fraction with a fraction, now 2 by 3, 5 by 7 multiplied by 6 by 8. So first of all, write all the numerators. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 upon 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 8. Now see, if you can reduce any of the numerator, 3 can reduce 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 can reduce 8, 2 4s are 8, and further 2 can reduce this for 2. Now only 5 is left in the numerator and denominator 7 and 2 is left. So write 5 upon 17. 14 is the answer. 5 upon 14 is the answer. Is this clear? So only thing is that just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and if you can reduce them there only, instead of further first multiplying and then reducing it. There you will do mistake. So in order to prevent it, just do it and then write your answer. Now we will revise with the division. I think you will understand. And if the fraction is mixed, first convert it into improper fraction. Now comes the division. Now in division of fraction there is a just only difference. I first by whole number. Now if I write 2 divided by 3 by 4, now this is your divisor, so you have to write reciprocal. You have to write reciprocal of 3 by 4, which is 4 upon 3. So I'll not write it here. First write reciprocal of 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3, and then write 2 division sign will change to multiplication and this will become 4 upon 3. And you know the multiplication, numerator will multiply with numerator and denominator will remain as it is. The answer is going to be 8 upon 3. So this is the case when 2 the whole number is the dividend. Now when the whole number is a divisor, means I am taking the same example. Now when whole number is the divisor, reciprocal of 2 is going to be 1 upon 2. If the whole number is written and if you are not able to recall, write 1 as the denominator and write its reciprocal. Now it becomes 3 upon 4. Division sign changes to multiplication and this becomes 1 by 2. Now multiply the numerator. 3 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 2 and this is 3 upon 8. This is your answer. This is your division by whole number. Now division by fraction. How to divide by fraction? Again it is same. 3 by 4 divided by I take 7 upon 8. Again you have to write the reciprocal of the divisor. So reciprocal of 7 upon 8 is equal to 8 upon 7. Then 3 upon 4, division sign changes to multiplication and write 8 upon 7 and this will become 3 multiplied by 8, 4 multiplied by 7 and now you can reduce it. This will become 3 multiplied by 2 upon 7. This is 6 upon 7. So this is your answer. So this is your exercise 2.4. Understood?